Hello, today I am going to show you how to upload lengthy videos to Instagram Story. So this one is very easy and quick tutorial. But first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. And then to start, you just have to open or launch your Instagram. And then you just have to go to your story. Okay. And then as you can see here, introducing longer stories. That is for 60 seconds. Actually, that is the new feature unlock in Instagram. So worry not if your video is 60 seconds or 1 minute and 1 second or 2 seconds. You can upload that on your Instagram story. Let's just say this one. This video is 1 hour and 4 minutes, I guess. All you have to do is to tap that or import a video from your gallery and then tap next. Or actually, you can edit this first if you want. And then once you're done, all you have to do is to click that arrow, click share, click done again. And you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then this story will appear on your story. That's the first way. Another way on uploading a longer video on your Instagram story is to simply go to your file folder and then long press that video and then click stories. And then here you can automatically upload your story even if it's 60 seconds or less. All you have to do is to edit or not. Then once done, you just have to click this arrow. Okay, and then done. And then actually you can choose that if you want this story only for close friends or for public. Everything is up to you. You can add emojis, you can add words or stickers. And then once done, click share and then click done. And that's it. That's how easy it is to upload lengthy videos to Instagram story. Thanks to the new features on Instagram that you can upload longer stories, longer than 5 seconds, 15 seconds, or 30 seconds. So I hope this video helped you, and if you find this video helpful, please like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.